You want to say something?
Man's about to whoop my ass in the car.
How many fights you have before?
Less than 5, no, less than 10. More than 5.
More than
And I probably lost like half of them.
It's gonna get it. Be confident, go light spar, whatever, and let's see if we keep up, you know?
Yeah. Don't leave me the only one. I gotta get better too. What stance do you think is better if I'm left-handed? Southpaw?
Southpaw, probably.
Yeah. My bad, bro.
Nah, you're good. Come on. That's good, that's good.
That's real.
Don't feel bad, bro.
I feel
It's
like
gonna fuck you up on the actual fight.
you're watching my hips. I'm trying to do the same, but it's hard.
You kind of have to analyze it too.
But you're just
Like you don't want to
you're
look
reading
down.
my moves right now. That's why it's hard.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like.
Yeah, the footwork needs improvement.
It's good, it's good. As long as you keep it balanced, foot on the ground,
Yeah.
don't feel sloppy.
I don't feel sloppy. I just feel like you're so faster.
Well, then be faster, bro.
Be faster.
Yeah.
Be faster. No, come on. I think it's a lot. Yeah. Oh yeah. No, I'll hold it. I don't use it. I don't use it. Wait, I didn't do anything.
There you go.
Just gotta punch it slow and early. It's okay. But you feel bad too. I guess you do. Like you're letting yourself get hit.
Oh, I get hit. Come on.
Any helps? Big difference. Yeah. Cool. I'm not just gonna punch you if you're standing there. I feel like it's awful. But I feel bad. Ooh. Oh god, you move so fast around me. Oh, wow, good. Oh, fucking. Oh god, you still maneuver so fast. Your leg movement is so much better. Yeah, this dance is awful. I just threw my quad. Okay.
Alright, so
You just wanted to think about it. Slipped every single one. Yeah.
come on, give it up. You want to climb?
This is good for muscles.
You got all the muscle here.
It's different when you have reach.
I was not even you get close to me.
I know.
Did it.
Oh yeah, you maneuver so fast on your feet. Cool. Go. Lead step forward. Stop lifting the lead step forward.
Skip. One stable
Yeah.
and do all your combination. If you're switching,
And your stable foot, your back foot, right?
yeah.
That's different level.
I've been hating shit, right?
Nice shot. You're loading that shit up and you didn't even know it.
Yeah.
I can do it right now. It's like 15 minutes of cardio.
Oh yeah. That was probably 5 minutes.